Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Mudit and I'm here with a detailed product demo of the TranZact Growth AI Data Analyst. To start off, you have to log in into the Data Analyst. If you don't have an account, you can do it via sign up. Once you log in, you land into the product, and first things first, go bottom left, go to your name, hit on settings, ensure that your company details are already filled, ensure that your tally is integrated. We have given proper steps in videos. Download a TCP file, ensure to upload the TCP file in your tally. The tally should be open in your local computer. Put the secret ID in company alter and select the period of how much you want to sync the data and extract all the vouchers. Based upon how many vouchers you have, it will take its own time, right? Once that is done, click on whichever data you want and click on save. This will save the entire settings of your integration. See, tally integration settings is saved. And to check it, just click on test integration. It will say tally data agent is active and everything is good to go now. Before starting off, just ensure that in general settings, your dummy data is switched off. Let's go back, ask an interesting question saying, let's say, overdue payments greater than 30 days, customer wise. I'll just do 30 days, customer wise, right? Now, this question, when I hit now, it's an interesting question. I want to understand that how many of my customers are not giving me payments and they've overdues over more than 30 days. So then I can just do a very quick payment follow up with all my customers, right? Very, very interesting question. Now, the moment I get the answer, so customers and overdue payments. Now, very, very interesting, right? Now, what I can do is I can go ahead and save this question. I can save this question saying overdue payments greater than 30 days and save it. Now, what it does is maybe after 2 days, 3 days, me or my team members want to ask a similar question or the same question and they type overdue. It automatically comes over here and I can click on hit or enter. So I don't have to type the question again, remember the question again. All the important, interesting questions I can save for later. And whatever questions I save, they are here in my saved dashboard. At the same point of time, if I want to understand more questions or discover more questions, I can go to trending questions. These are all the trending questions across all companies in the entire data agent, right? So, for example, stop firefighting, improve cash flow. Which customer owes me the most 6 months, right? I like this question. I want to run it. Click on copy and hit on enter. Straight away, it runs the question and you will get the answer from the agent straight away, right? Similarly, there's an option of saving the questions. Like if I go to the same question again, improve cash flow, I can save this question directly from here only. And then see it's saved. And now if I type it there, it'll auto come as a pop-up. So that's a very, very interesting question of finding these interesting questions. We've also put in some more questions for you under the grow revenue card, shop save money card in the new chat as well for you to figure it out, right? You can just click over here and choose any question and you'll get the answer. So this is all about questions and asking questions and saving them. Now, a very, very interesting piece is that once you've got the answer about the agent, what else you can do is, let's say this is the last question which I was asked, right? Overdue payments greater than 30 days. I think this one, which is what I asked. Now, what happens is the answer that I've got, right? It has these options of dashboards and alerts. Very, very important. What I can do, I can just click on this dashboard, save it, overdue payments, and while saving the dashboard I can subscribe to the dashboard. So what it will do is on a daily basis I can get emails and WhatsApp alerts daily, weekly, 9 a.m., 10 a.m., whenever I say. So based upon this, if I save it to the dashboard, daily 9 a.m., I will get a WhatsApp and email alert telling me about the overdue payments, that what has happened. Very, very interesting MIS updates that whatever I want, I can get it over here if I just click on save to dashboard. Similarly, alerts. These are like fire alarms for your business. This is like if before getting anything wrong in your factory, you can just subscribe to an alert and ensure that nothing goes off. Very similar to dashboard, you can just like name it again. Like for example, payment overdue. I'll just payment it is, right? And I can subscribe to these alerts as well. Similar, and in the alerts is a very important feature called criticality. If it is a high alert, that means I will always be notified. Even if it is I have no overdue payment, still I will get a message, everything is okay. But if I do it low, I will only get an alert only when there is something a problem. Whenever I have an overdue payment, then only I will get an alert. So you can choose whenever you want the alert and you can schedule the delivery of that alert as well. So like this, you can subscribe to dashboards, do MIS, subscribe to alerts and know what's breaking in your factory before it actually breaks, right? And whatever alerts and dashboards that you make are saved over here in these tabs. So you click on dashboard and these are all the dashboards for you. Similarly, you click on alerts and these are alerts. Thanks for watching.